Do you want to achieve elite health and solve chronic issues before they even start? What if I told you most health advice is way too complicated and the real solution is simple biology? This is the updated, ultimate guide to optimizing your human physiology. If you apply these principles, I guarantee you will transform your body. Let's begin. Rule number 1. Respect your biological signals. Only eat when you are actually hungry. We've been conditioned to eat by the clock, but if you simply wait for true hunger signals, your digestion and metabolism will reset. It's that simple. If you aren't hungry, do not eat. The same applies to hydration. The idea that you must force-feed yourself gallons of water is a myth. Overdrinking dilutes essential electrolytes like sodium, which can actually leave you more dehydrated. So, drink only when you are thirsty. For superior hydration, try drinking carbonated water or even better, sun-brewed tea. Just place decaffeinated tea in the sun for an hour. This infuses it with infrared energy, creating structured water that allows for deeper cellular hydration than plain tap water. Next, you have to master the frequency of your meals. Intermittent fasting is non-negotiable. The human body was not designed to process food every 90 minutes. By spacing out your meals, you trigger a process called autophagy, where your body recycles damaged proteins and clears out pathogens. This means you must stop snacking. Snacking is the enemy of health because it keeps your insulin levels permanently high. Even if you don't change your diet at all, eliminating snacks between meals is the single most effective change you can make. When it comes to the food itself, focus on keeping carbohydrates low. Don't just look at sugar, look at total carbs. Starch and flour convert to sugar almost instantly in the blood. Aim for under 30 grams of carbs per day. If you do slip up and overeat carbs, immediately supplement with vitamin B1. A carb overload depletes B1, which can lead to stress and anxiety. Replenishing it quickly helps mitigate the damage. Now, you cannot fix what you do not measure. Don't just check your glucose. Request a fasting insulin test. High insulin is a predictor of diabetes 10 to 20 years before it ever shows up. If you catch it early, you can prevent it entirely. Your supplement stack also matters. First, vitamin D. Most people need 10,000 to 20,000 IS daily, especially before surgery or during pregnancy to prevent complications. But remember this, vitamin D requires magnesium to work. If you have muscle cramps, you are likely deficient in magnesium. You also need massive amounts of potassium, 4,700 milligrams every single day. Potassium is a physiological tranquilizer. It lowers blood pressure, calms the nervous system, and boosts your energy. For protein, prioritize grass-fed red meat. It is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, perfect for stabilizing your energy and blood sugar. And a quick warning, avoid cheap multivitamins. They're often made from synthetic cornstarch. Instead, invest in a trace mineral supplement to replace the zinc, iodine, and selenium that modern farming has stripped from our soil. If you have a history of antibiotic use, your gut health is likely compromised. To fix this, learn to make your own probiotic yogurt. Reintroducing these specific microbes can have profound effects on your immune system and your mental clarity. In the gym, remember that more is not always better. Overtraining raises cortisol and kills testosterone. Focus on intensity, followed by deep recovery. If you are over 50 and dealing with stubborn flabbiness, it may be muscle atrophy, not just fat. The solution here is not dieting, it's resistance training and magnesium to rebuild that muscle tissue. Finally, invest in a high-quality water filter. Tap water often contains heavy metals and forever chemicals. Filtering your water is the baseline for a non-toxic lifestyle. Health is not about luck, it is about following the right protocol. Apply these steps, stay consistent, and watch your health completely transform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.